Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to use DynamoDB streams to invoke AWS Lambda functions automatically. Let's dive in. First, let's briefly discuss the main components we'll be working with today. DynamoDB, a fully managed NoSQL database service provided by AWS. DynamoDB streams, a feature that captures item-level changes in your DynamoDB tables and stores these changes for 24 hours. AWS Lambda, a serverless compute service that lets you run your code without provisioning or managing servers. Part 2, creating a DynamoDB table. Open the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the DynamoDB service. Click Create Table. Enter a table name and primary key. Leave the default settings, then click Create. Part 3, enabling DynaMod streams. In the DynamoDB console, click on the table you just created. Click on the Manage Stream button. Select the type of stream you want, then click Enable. Part 4, creating a Lambda function. Open the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Lambda service. Click Create Function. Choose Author from scratch. Enter a function name and select a runtime, example, Python 3.8. Create or choose an execution role, then click Create Function. Part 5, coding the Lambda function. Now, let's write the code for our Lambda function. This code will process the DynamoDB stream events and perform some action based on the changes. Let's just leave the defaults for the Lambda function and print the message to the logs. Part 6, connecting DynaMod streams to Lambda. Click Add Trigger. Choose DynamoDB from the trigger list. Select your DynamoDB table and its stream. Configure the batch size and starting position, then click Add. Part 7, testing the setup. Add, modify, or delete items in your DynamoDB table. Monitor the Lambda function's logs in Amazon CloudWatch to see the changes being processed. Troubleshoot any issues or errors, if necessary. Conclusion. You now know how to use DynamoDB streams to automatically trigger Lambda functions. This powerful integration allows you to process changes in your database in real time, making your applications more responsive and dynamic. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AWS tutorials. Happy coding!